No, it's December, but we are not going to do Stock Santa for this one because you might have heard that the United Healthcare CEO was unalived. Of course, it's all speculation. Why did it happen? But it was obviously not an accident. Someone found him and put an end to his story. And as an investor, I think we all know by now that giant corporations really aren't here for us. They're here for shareholders and to maximize profit. CareFirst's name always makes me laugh because I always have the joke that it should be profit first, not care first. Some of these headlines. United Healthcare tried to deny coverage to a chronically ill patient. He fought back. How United Health harnesses its physician empire to squeeze profits out of patients. Or top private health insurer is rolling in cash and reducing coverage. United. And there is post after post after post on Reddit for United Healthcare horror stories of people being denied coverage over and over and over. So as a self-employed stock trader and content creator, I'm on my own for healthcare, which means already I'm going to be paying dramatically higher monthly rates or premiums or whatever. When I'm shopping for health insurance, what I always do is I go for the highest deductible possible, which gives me the lowest monthly rate. Now, it used to be that these lower monthly rates were actually pretty affordable. Now they're hundreds and hundreds of dollars per month. Called insurance for a reason, even though I think the system is a total gimmick where I'm giving them, say, thousands of dollars per year. Nothing ever happens to me. Do I get my money back? No, of course not. That's insurance. I understand you're paying for the ability to then, if something happens to you, have it covered. I get it. But I'm still paying a huge monthly premium. In addition to which, I have a deductible, which is $7,000 or $8,000, which is insane. So I'm first out, hold on. Okay, I'm out $5,400 a year in insurance, plus my $8,000 deductible. That means before my health insurance even kicks in the event that I get hit by a bus or I have cancer, I need treatment or something, I am out $13,400. I have a lot of investments and a lot of savings. So I'm always going to opt for the lower monthly premium with the higher monthly deductible. I can do this because I invest, I live below my means, I save, I'm smart with my money. This is why investing is so unbelievably important, because people who have really, really high deductibles usually cannot afford the deductible. They have to take on debt, or they have a really low deductible with an insanely high monthly fee, which means that they can't pay the monthly fee and they go without insurance and then they get actually sick and they're bankrupt, they're screwed, they have to sell their home, they have to sell all their assets. Invest, I'm begging you. Invest, live below your means, save your money. Let me just show you something really quick that'll help you. I created this TikTok account about 6 years ago to help people, not profit off of people. The reason I really started this whole channel was because I had a bunch of friends come to me all at once and say, hey, teach me how to invest. And I thought, well, if I just made one video and put it on YouTube, anytime someone asked, I could just send them the video. Then I ended up liking it. I saw people getting ripped off by these, buy my course, oh, you see this watch, you see this pile of money, you see that Lamborghini, you can buy my course and you can have it too. So that fueled me. I sell nothing on my website, which is what I want to show you real quick. If you don't know how to invest, or you don't know how to do fundamental analysis, or you want a free resource guide with all of the links that I use to do my own research, here's where you need to go. All you have to do is go right here and click right here on the menu. And this is all 100% free. My templates for stocks and ETFs, my resource guide, my course, my content playlist catalog. Need to start investing. These big for-profit healthcare companies will do everything possible to get out of giving you healthcare. Have your own money, have your own investments. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, and smart investors always smash that follow.